Hey guys, Michael from Copper vs Glass, and today we're looking at what's claiming to be the world's smallest hidden camera. So, let's take a look. So this here is the Conbrov mini hidden camera, and like I mentioned, the packaging itself claims it to be the world's smallest hidden camera. So once we've actually got it unboxed, the first thing that we're going to have is a micro USB cable to actually charge the device. We've then got a handy USB 2.0 adapter so you can put the mini SD card into your PC. You've also then got a clip which you can attach the camera to very easily, so if you wanted to put this on jeans or a jacket, you've got the option to do so. And then you've also got a magnetic mount, which is actually quite useful. It's got a magnet here on the bottom, and you can also move it around with this articulating arm just here at the top. And then you've got what looks like a SIM ejector tool to reset the camera if you have any problems. And just a quick example of using the clip here on my jeans: if you're wearing a shirt or jacket, for example, you can use it in that situation, but in my opinion it's still kind of going to show up, so it's not necessarily very hidden. In terms of the magnetic mount, it works perfectly fine, although the magnet itself isn't very strong, so that's definitely something to keep in mind. On one side of the camera you've got all of the ports and everything that you would need, so you've got the slot for the micro SD, the micro USB slot, the reset button which you can use that SIM ejector tool that I mentioned beforehand, and you've also got a microphone as well. On the top of the camera you've got two buttons here. One is used to power on the device and also to take photos and record video. Speaking of video, is it actually any good? Well, I'm going to play you some very quick examples of the video and also photo quality to take a look, and spoiler alert, it's not necessarily very good, and also listen to that microphone. Oh, and that's enough of that. Sorry about that guys, but as you can see there, the video quality isn't very good at all, and as you can see from these examples, the photo quality isn't that great either. Because of the camera shape and size, it's really hard to actually find the correct horizon to get the right photo, but then again, I don't really think that's what this camera is necessarily used for. And lastly, we have my favourite photo, which I literally have no idea what's going on in this scene, but trust me, it was a nice day and nothing was purple. So then, should you buy the world's smallest hidden camera? Well, no, you definitely shouldn't. Looking at the video quality and photo quality, this camera is completely useless. Yes, it comes in at under $30 or £30 here in the UK, but don't let the price fool you, this camera doesn't really have any use whatsoever. So let me know down in the comments section or on Twitter at Copper vs Glass if you guys know of any other alternative tiny cameras that you want me to have a look at here on the channel, and also don't forget to give me a thumbs up down below if you did enjoy this video. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, and if you're already subscribed, hit that notification bell so that you guys are notified anytime that I post a new video. I'm Michael from Copper vs Glass, thanks very much for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video.